ربنا لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك وعظيم سلطانك اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي أما بعد. Okay, so Assalamualaikum. Alright, please allow me to share with you while I'm driving. Okay, so happy 29th Ramadan. Okay, so today's the last, so I'm on the last days of Ramadan. So what does that mean? That means we're getting close to the holiday or the big day of Hari Raya. Okay, so for Muslims, alright, for Muslims, this is a time where usually we have our off button to focus on anything which is not fun, isn't it? Okay, so Madam terpanggil lah. Okay, Madam terpanggil lah untuk remind all candidates, okay, especially MOD June. June MOD candidates. June MOD candidates, of course tak jauh dah pun, tak jauh dah pun 3 Julai candidates also, alright. So of course preparation has to keep going, alright. Has to keep going to keep momentum, alright. Now, what do you need to do to keep momentum, guys? Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, alright. Okay, Aina Sofia, Iza, Aiman, okay, thank you for joining me for today and others who are joining me. Alright, now for those who are preparing for your MUET, okay, mungkin dekat akhir-akhir ni mungkin your preparation slow down because you feel it's time to rehat kan, it's time to rest. So what does this mean? If you rest, do not regret. Esok dapat results nanti, don't regret that you did not prepare enough. Macam tu. Don't regret if you get bad results, that you didn't reach your target. Okay. Now, so what does this mean? This means that you have to keep your momentum. Now, there are 3 ways for you to make sure you keep your momentum. Okay. Now, perlu ke you buat you siapkan satu buku for practice for you to keep momentum? No. Okay, doesn't mean that. It just means, okay, it just means that you just have to keep moving, okay? Because if, for example, you tinggal seminggu, okay, if you leave any practice or any preparation at all for your MUET preparation in 1 week, you will definitely, okay, so you will definitely lose momentum, okay? You will lose motivation. Kita kan jadi rasa macam susah nak up balik. Okay, so since you are now preparing for your MUET, okay, memang kena start dari sekarang. Okay, kalau you ada target tertentu, okay, and plus you need these results to make sure that you get a place in the university so that you can apply for your dream university, okay, for your degree. Make sure you have a target. I'm sure you have a target, okay? So with this target, make sure you need to prepare. You need to keep your momentum in preparing. Okay, the first thing, make sure you have the right books. Okay, the books yang memang you suka belik-belik. Okay, so for example, for myself, I like the Left Click books. Okay, or Ace Ahead. Those are my favorite books lah. Okay, terpulang pada you all lah, because I'm a person who likes to look at tables and diagrams kan. Macam tu. So Left Click memang bagus lah. Dia banyak diagrams, dia banyak table, dia tak banyak sangat teks untuk contoh-contoh essay sahaja. Okay, number two, make sure you have a circle, you have friends who you are together with, okay? Kenapa? Because when you see your friend preparing, you also feel that you need to prepare too. Okay, so for myself, for my PhD, that's why I have my own circle of friends. So for my PhD, I'm not like doing my PhD alone, kan? It's not like a lonely journey. It's not like that. So I need a friend to always remind me to, okay, Iman, you need to keep writing. Alright, so for you guys who are preparing and trying to face something that is really challenging, you need to have your own circle of friends that you are together preparing for. Okay, and this one, ni Madam provide kepada the ketukians. Alright. Number 3. Okay, number 3, make sure if anything you have a mentor to help you. So for example, you tak sure macam mana nak buat nak tackle discursive or argumentative essay. You tak sure macam mana nak tackle certain reading questions. Okay, so make sure you have, mungkin you have your lecturer yang yang boleh guide you. Okay, maybe for form 6 you have your teacher. Of course, your MUET teacher. Okay, so form 6 memang dia orang untung. You all untung yang form 6 ni, because you have a MUET teacher yang form 6 ni. Alright, so those in diploma students and degree students, maybe you might have to work hard to find a mentor. Alright, so make sure you have these 3 things. Okay, you have a reliable book. Make sure you have a circle of friends who are preparing together with you. And then third is make sure you have your own mentor, whether it's a senior or whether it's a teacher who, if you have any problems, you are able to ask a question, okay, to make sure you resolve your confusions in preparing. All right. Okay, so that's all from me. So for this next to today and tomorrow, the last days of Ramadan, make sure you doa massively and doa supaya Tuhan membantu you untuk preparation MUET. Okay, so this is ambil peluang. Okay, peluang atas barakah Ramadan ini. Okay, so Madam ingin ambil kesempatan ini untuk ucapkan selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri dan maaf zahir batin. Okay, terima kasih kerana masih mempercayai, bagi trust to me, alright, Madam Iman, for tips on MUET. So I really appreciate all your support throughout these several months. I started doing live sessions this year. Alright, so thank you so much. Alright, selamat Hari Raya. Thank you for being loyal in subscribing to my channel, which I really appreciate. Okay, kita rasa satu saluran untuk Madam memberi. Okay, dan bila memberi, Madam harapkan banyak rahmat dan berkat kepada Allah Ta'ala untuk memudahkan Madam sekeluarga di dunia ini dan juga di akhirat, insyaAllah. Okay, mohon doa daripada kalian semua. Semoga Madam Siri diberkati dan kita semua diberkati Allah, insyaAllah. Alright, okay, so selamat Hari Raya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to prepare, okay? Buat sikit-sikit pun tak apa. Sempat lagi. Okay, so make sure, okay, Raya-Raya juga buat latihan sikit-sikit. You belik buku sikit-sikit, tak apa, insyaAllah. Ya, yeah? Okay, see you. Assalamualaikum.